Right, abusuafo mo bibia kwa baba Kumasi online television. Aha. Abusuafo nyina hia ena anibra bapa because ya hu Ghana ha. Ya hwe ya nkrofo bi de nyina be kwa kogusu mu ne ya ma ho kwan because nyame tiase na nyame so akoma do Ghana. Video bi aba ne nam wiem. Ebi abepie adwuma mu ha. Na mafa hwe na nipa bi hu asere. Yase akoa bi de abusua o de one god bi won kran ho ba bi. Na the prophet OPATAFOUR si ho a odi na atam kan sem bebre na ye ka asama enim de ye ka ana ye tumra ye kiresie aha ya metena ha enya azan ensoso amanfo so amom bu amanfo da entu futuro nwu amanfo ni na minim se sofo panyi bi hye kire ene wa wo matiko mo kokase o mo ho asere se kofi nipa na dodo na nim Kumasi anim Ghana ha ya nya azan wo ha o ya mfo abone so da na abusua o se oye abusua wa ngoda ene ne god no hwe ni yi na babia wa ka ne ho babia otia ne ho toro ono nsi obi mpa adwuma ye na obi gigi amanfo sika abusua si so wa ya adwuma da onya saka wani nye nuturo na woto kofoku wodi onim ne dada otu nuro da asiye enum moja suma so aduade na odi da be na nyame frɛ no sofo be na bone deliverance sofo be na G abusua efiri adu ayi ne saka wasem ni mo se wo nyame ana wo ya na untimi nya sacrifice na wo tehwe a osima fa nyame se ne ke wiase ye de onto no bo no nimba bi ogoro ko ana ofisi ye nim no osi so wa ya adwuma da abusua tro application akọ adwuma bi makoye ana na company no wa bi adwuma da nya saka wa na oye enya nutuo no otu enya moja na onum abusua nya abutro ni enya nkoda sofo no osoma o se bra be keka sa ansem no bisa sofo ni so onim ose kofi onim sacrifice ayaya ama no ne radio kanyina wantua nyina oja akotena nkran ade yenim o misa se sofo no osoma o no bisa ne se e ka na ode no baby obe preachi ye metro fm kfm a ye jama ne fa ne hudi ye no onim ose kofi motenkran mu fi se no ano no ensama abubo ba no munim a anka mokra ma hyedade eche yenkotie abusuo sa wan god na ono akotu nuro na ansini ya o se nyame afre no se de no oyo yentie ni nsem hunu na okeka ni bi abrete bi esisuo Kumasi ayese ya fe no OPATAFOUR hwe OPATAFOUR akola kitwe bi o a ono na no ate just wako school otimi kinkan spiritual books symbolic science ohu the kind of things are sebi enwe bi a abewiase a etwem se na chiraboso kan se sebi bible ni history no sana brante no oye ne chefa ana Kumasifo bi epusi no abrochefo wa unim obese no sikama abrante fe no OPATAFOUR no uti sebosumase
ade onu na yi na
ebosuma gasa ofri nyame na kopo bi afra no mese wo maka wasem no se osu fri nyame a se osu edu na de oduma ko na ko busa one god ase enkasa tra ko sapani akora ketua uti Ghana na abrochefo frewa o se TV station na mo hwe me free no mo support 10 million ansana woni na kasa
10 million sana on nakasa
you pay 10 million answer na OPATAFOUR kosia kola ketua wesi so pe duma nye
obusia
ene o mo tell wa amafo ayamadwe se abrante no omudi ni betu obofo omudi ni betu obofo ade so na kola ketua wako read books Ghana for one bloche mutie OPATAFOUR Kumasi onyo sofo wo ni udu sika ebebra abrante we se onje na onye hu hweduma ma no ode uti ekosa antoase ode uti ekosa atia famase ode uti ekosa kolonjase owe so ode uti ekosa kratident ase because sa hu mo na edi no omo ye judges all Ghana ha ahun we no omo ye judges ema mortals our land ba no kwa ode osem ena koma omo mwa no na senchani mpie ni aka se finyakopon tina meka sa sofo krumu a enkom se no eye tu
Enfiri nyame a na efiri bonsam. Vampires akwara ketua wosi so a woso nyakopon wo masika edi wanim. Na akwara ketua obia no wogi ni sika tu be na wo. Onipa bia odi na asem akoma sa branche no. Se sa branche no etimi maninya de ope. Otimi breaki de ope ma no. Se nipa no offer my channel no we ada se ni ntie. Ana me to challenge so. Onipa bia sa branche na de usika. Waji usika. Se obey adwuma ma hu wi ase adwuma. Nyakopo 2 million no ton no. A adwuma no amaso no contact my channel. Me ese adwuma na ma. Me ne ka mabusukuo ene one god na me kopon no ye be ese adwuma na ma.
Right abusuafo e mo bibia kwa ba Matthew ona ogu ne ho anim ase we kola bi ebo no so ya asafo ache o ye nko bi odisi wo ye ntia we na ye ba de abobo ba na ehu
orafo yankumo nche friend prophet OPATAFOUR me ton sadia from 27th of March 2020 year watch night kesie bi ekoso ewo Kumase Abrepo esubonten the baby awo bia so wo Accra Kumase Tema Tamale baby awo bia African kro bia so ahwe mi bia bre Kumase na sa watch night kesie onyame ede ne nsa ebeka ne ma say yare bi na da so kwada na bi na da so atiti bi na da so bomoden na for how no ene amane ni nyina bre Kumase se bibi tire wa adwene so na po obi ene wasusu wo ha ho a bomodi na fa number ne ba ko ne frɛ me ye hwe wanim ɛyɛ de 27th ya yankubon jira
right abusuafo mo bibia kwa aba we na akoye ni bere akoye tan wa Ghana ha asofu bi hihye akire pese ya do papa to form prophet ba ha wa count kwa bi prophet OPATAFOUR ma ha mebo sofu bi adin da yanye ba de ha na me ha ne ha abrochefo akura timi di matam sa me ha no dodo asuni nyina ya pani yemo ya mpa za ya mpa nhihye ho biko Kumase wala de ya si yenya medwuma ne yebeye enti ye wo ba ya za ya nye be yiwa firim asofofo ana ba ha ma se bi ma biem ya wo ya za obi complain se we wo bume wa ye mbukata ya ma ma fidie su biem biko nya ya ho ne yebe peye ya si ya ba bu anya medwuma ana nya obi anso ne yebe ya za wo ha enti mo ya maza na mo pema na mo vi so obi ana ya za ya tikuro mo yenim de mo ye sofufu a mo hye kira o meyese mo na mo so amanfo ayalefo obegu TV so etwa mo di gi sika kese o ma ya lesa na sa kofubaku video akoye ya overhead ni so nyina ba mo obeyi omo di wom kone nam TV so se ya so omo ya de a omo nam pim omo na proper na na titi Kumase kejeti a e de sire sika no sa mo so ma so omo ya de enye omo na tete ho no ni nyina yo video so no ha na mrepam ya ba ma mo hu aza so fofo omo se Ghana kutamo ana de enkom sa ne ya hye sunsun nyuma ne ya no be ye bi e mo me ye bi ado bi anyam na mo TV bebrebe mo radio bebrebe na ada na mo me ye bi Kumase wala attack TV station ba ko pe we soli hey bi mo dia na mo pa free ho ya nyom de biem ko tumunuro na ya mazana na mo pema na ye tan any din seye mo soli ya mo dia ya afo gyina TV so gi sika di ya na onya yalesa ko blo kire ko bisa nwanwade a odifo na oye no ho wanu wo bo na po wo so prophet OPATAFOUR bu aju sika bia bra mi wo se ko fi mi de kra to se me gina mama de wa ju sika bia meje wa de ama police station kura fa komeba azanu ma na mo de tega mo fi se nyina na ye bedi mo chi aya aza akono nu moja ye okoto no ma na adeda da sie ye moni na wuo no abokola we abetra ho se one god unim nyame wo so le nya bosomsom na anenam wo wakwa asoli fie da sofo be ne bold rivers wo so sachira fa nyame na asoli be na odin wom ba bodi no ne yentie sofo be na ahya na ase moni nam na jimi seme oncheni ana mo di tiwi ase o ka se da bia na nyame ma be yira sa da bia na ye be ja Kristofo na mo di wo ti pempem sa na mo gu amprochirem se mu hunu na mo di ne Ghana ha no mo makunyan mo na mo se mo akobem mo nu moja mo da sie ye etu nuro mo makunyan ya te ha ya ready Kumase wala ya waskwa mo makunyan se mu hunu na mo di ne Ghana ha na ya hwe mo din ma mo ya yi so mo se mo na mo si Ghana ni kutamo afedi ya mapem mutu sika gu mu bie station na visa da bia na nipa nim de ye beji mo achi mo di atu afiase agunku asumu semhunufo prophet OPATAFOUR abufuo na ba ma manya abotra de meka kora anye oh kofi mate me ba ko ma ba for mate ma won so odwojo mebo prophet obeka asem prophet mitimi modi ni kora dani yamra absa for mon fan chame say anka makoma ya akosoro adwuma ne tada bia so wuyi hu si wo se obebu anyamedwuma na nkwasiafo bi sabi mi wa fidie sabi kafrache nsemhurufo ne nkwasiafo bi jimi sa ya na ha adwene pa ya media fo ne yatikuro yimo ya fiti ya media adwuma nya na ne asofo mpa anam yenim azane nsemhuna mudi ni kuro yim na duru ba bi na ya twi ya hu firi mu ho anam de ya ni brene time obi pa wa hwe ase aye dai wo ya adwuma pa ko ni mmanyam kopo kudi anche mesin videos amama kofi akwaba what the econo yes akwa bi de abusia wose wode wango saka wani bi
abufukura no yenyam djuma na bai ofreno hoso
wose we wango no TV so dwana ni
so for ben training sa de gulus omra bonte me kan kire
na osi su nyina osi obi nya adwuma osi su nyina nya adwuma dawo enu tuo
wa tipe na application dia ko company bi so kwa ko adwuma da
tete ho
Epanifo asisi ya wo se bekum so na wo kan wo kra wo gusie wo kopra
so am ka asanya medwuma na yankokora na yese mo ye
ya na mo ka se 77 predia se nim nyansa obi she kutu pa na be ya de wonim na gu ase wo se wa fe wan go da se wa wan wo se wonim gu ase na wa di
kakra obedi
ha ma wanya nim anim be no wanya
kakra obedi nti
abrochefo se ne be se du watam so wonim wa
na ka sa ya te agro na edi anya hihye ho na ye yo
so fujuma ne yewode osofu ne yewode osofu yewode yahye na furu so o meka se nkwase asem yewo afidie su ntra na ka wode ensema ke be ka kire no ka wanka se ka benu ye ka kire wo se yewode oyosofu a nyame nkasa na afra na yi no ane yewode yahye na furu mu ase de onya haminoko aso sofu haminoko
na de wasuma wo no wasanse firi kumase a kofi de wasuma no ye dede no washa asie firi kumase a oro na no power sofu eduru anyum no ye malam e wo kwada so esi omu ka se na sama mu jan he be ka no
ana ututufulu suma ensam no
kofi
na wo be ye sofu na pa no be ye malam anyumre e ka wo do radio so bra betua ya bra wa kakra na no kwa
be jina ho be ya za da bia ne be ya za
kumase a wo ye nim do ye kumase ansa na
udi ma to kase achi e de na dim ko wiye
ya si ye nim wo kumase ansa na wo enkran ne sesa he suban ne no na otim ya she okutu pa sofu bi kantra sofu bi entawachi na be ya de ba gu kumase online TV anim ase he wonim na gu ase wan god ase wan onzo wa fa de be
na akola bi etim no asafo ache ye nkro bi a wonu si ho de bibia butu na ni wo nim nyame wonu wo sole moja ne ayi no ma fie wo mu wa so na bo odi ba
ensebu wa ya tentra azanye ma ko sesa nkofo free ayi sabini ade e ba kejetia asisebi wo kejetia ba afidie so se wo be so bo yare yakon wo kejetia
me say capture ni nyina
video no ha mo ma so bi ebubuafo mo di address ya o mafuru so no mafu ayedo twe te se de o mafu ahye mo wia no mo de ne wa fufa so amana sa akofom ye humo kan ye nkan ye o videos no mrepam se de o se go fika no ye be ye kumani mu ase ya kire mu se nya
adam ya na nipa ba ya aza da me 2 million prophet OPATAFOUR prophecy akofi this year ya last month ya oyeye osem frama dindin bi bebo na me kra na me nim say ayi frama ya eastern frama bi mo ka se he jejire frama bobu dan gube se ya ka kofi wo de wo animu a wo de so wo na nenam
ensebu papa betina ha kai
me kra de na me fi se bedru June July no ha na ya hu sa frama no ensuo tutoto mo ko America sa antoa na me frama fa America na mo ko Europe mo mi sa Germany dani ya ko la video ni bi ya ha kom shana prophet OPATAFOUR ka se enframa dende be ba fa wiase mo ko hwe me ko hwe
ben kura mutimi mobi na abam aben keke hwe kura mutimi mobi na abam na moto wona sabi se hu
awodifo anka bibi ba nya na obehuru ka odi ya nsa no ya mo ko kase nto no so mo ya wabu obi wa yese ufiti ya azan ye ne wie ya na aba manim na gu ase abusuafo video no na mo hwe so wan kasem frama babo a yes ya te ha me ni kofu te ha ene yare ano den na nya no kra ne yedi a video no na mo hwe ye no yankwa hwa de asi wo America weekends ya free Friday ebesi ni Sunday Europe America ba bia mo hwa frama a atiasi se ye ntro ne yetwa no ha na mo ka se nyame oni wo na difo ni asase so kwa hwa bi
sa jejeje no wonde o de twi akra
jejeje ya no
jejeje na utie mu a bongu ewiase asomu a na nipa ho hihyi wo na fo mu dwane to nyame ti sa jejeje ne baba be se wiase aprumo gudi pasum what you say the people a lot of people will repent and the first thing secondly na pra na anso no be yadwuma enti na tender be strike wiase tender storm ne sanioma
this year
seriously seriously pa ana chinshi amframa no so be adwuma de mo se ni pipe kokko no mu
no so be ba
so be ba amframa bi ba popa no
fi we amframa wom
nyam frama ewom amframa ba po nyam frama as normal frama
eastern frama no kura mfa no ho
bi enu yet me ka chinshi amframa
ene esa no dia ba
enu ye serious pai nsuo metimi ma nsuo so
eyiri pai dan nyina so
enu dan so de say so enframa etimi enframa etimi bu me pogum no say edan
eba wiase
eba wiase aba ebe yaduma o say eba
ya fi we ya enframa na enframa esa na
eye chinshi amframa enya enframa na chinshi amframa yusu za word
chinshi amframa wa basa si so
enframa de ehumi enframa dada e o chinshi
enframa jejeje na esa bogidigidi
ni enframa jejeje e o chinshi amframa jejeje ye ne yakode ye foforo eno
so beba
eno on na di nkana obetwe dom amani pa bibra
prophet of OPATAFOUR
what you say
no me e basa si so
no
say de ni ahoto
wuni ahoto say
na asase ba ko enframa gidigidi
na ye
chinshi enframa agrada tender
plan God is showing us something there oh nyame kire say oh
ye din na ehwe ye
oh pa antinyo obeye na massively
2020
and you ma bibre hu na be sisi wiase people will come out with a lot of revelation. Right
Abusua otrofo ase be dance ni wa chirichiri ebi na mo hu no bisa Europe unua bi wo brocha bisa say si da ben say last year asem na ye be si ka nko bisa hwe Kofi dia na aka twa to na sa akwa ne de tunifo no fa nyame tunifo
nyame djuma na nya kan ye nkwan o nye la isu nyame djuma no anya abekati kontono aya intelligent de nyakopon de atere de ma no papa ne betena o ana nsesebi unim de wo from school fam de tosumelu efie de sebi mpredua sa ya nche ofie nyansa nche ofie tete de adi obi onyankopon na wonim de onyansa ode manipa no sebi mpredua sa wani na che okodi nyamefu achi nti wo so onim nyansa ama wunsem a wokan na sebi ababa kura ba
kasa ase onidi
intellectual sa omutie papa ye hwe papa ye no wo emu ba kokura ntie o what you say sebi omo amu edina na mabonte ba kire ba bi do achi omo bi intellect the elite ones no omudi OPATAFOUR achi ma enka cho me free wo ye hese benya papa wa hane na kasa but tie one god kumase online sha wafo nyezu go baby
onim de ye o ka se be ya za adwuma o ga na
aya busa sofo bi se ne esi crash wo
o to mu no ka sa za adwuma ne ye be afafo
edinya kupon na ye adwuma o se kofi to aso
kofi na mote ne nka no ani braba enya agro ne yedi ni kumase o da bia ne ye de enya aza prophet OPATAFOUR ya to yansa afre no manfo criticize bebri ba ye de enya no ne yetie ya de ye nim ne pa wo papa ne mu ya ne na asan ya sole ya nya se obetena ha no ko mo ba sole fie ha mo amabaga na akonyina mo ba mbeto ye ho watch night obibia ye giram na am ka se nya medwuma da bia ne ye besoso atoradifo no maza no da bia ne ni sika kira wo fa ya kira nkogu ba bi prophet akwaba
ejo ben gese
empom ye no abo tuntun ya ni bibia ba na
media ni bibia ma but then this is how I feel like pushing myself and coming out today.
Nice one. Prophet OPATAFOUR, ya mo akwa ba bi. Asofufuo bi AGS ho say aheda yi omanim. Esi ara sa na meka no. Because oboni pani din twam. Say ye pese wo ye tu na hini egude wo besi so. Na yenya bia wonya video ni bia hwe.
Me ba ya na jam
Dani mo yi a kire wa mo ahwe. Prophet, ebu abama na.
Oh, you see, some of these things are the things that you people should expect. And I believe, firstly, let me render apology to the Elite who are following me. And I'm really sorry. We were not expecting things to happen this way. And sometimes we didn't love to put ourselves in such manner. We are people that were trained and we have manners. But people of such criteria are people who needs to be disciplined. We need to put something in there. We need to educate them. Because we are very sorry on behalf of Kumasi Online and then all the members. And when we hear Kumasi Online, sorry, me pamachwa in the phone, Abrimponi, my poma mudi echinina misremu. Yano pa, we stand to be corrected. Okay, some of these things, firstly, sa guy knows Bushino or whatever.
That's why one God.
I really want to know his stance. Is he a Christian, a Malam, a Buddhist, or whatever?
First, no, first, no, two nuru, no, Sakawa, or two nuru, or the Dessie, two nuru, no, CFA, or Fenyame. By you who so far, or body deliverance, you was only our also a Fenyame. Sano, who introduced him to God. Also on one and Hunyame, what two nuru na drew baby, or Jai or Fenyame.
You what truly there so was internet and a past case. But as you say, Fenyame. But you see, we should be analytic here. Let's analyze certain things. So, obi two nuru na osachara. Sa to me dear boni na wonimu na gina ye wonimu. Yes.
Prophet OPATAFOUR.
Me so.
So as who Christ
na botre. Se wo Christ na wo fie no me entwa mu. Christ is just a light. And seeing Christ is when that you come back to your normal senses and act on your consciousness to see say no me be that so as I say we standing out fighting. And this will be one Christ to no nkyere say who Christ na ne dam to me and na asasabo no afiri ni muko. Yes.
One kobusum hobi mu no.
Unko abusum hobiom na gina de no odidi ma or the ma wa di agu mu. Either you edit it or either internal or external use. Say talisman or ring, whatever. Why they deliver out of it?
That's all that one the TB other than man.
That's why me can't state with you. Me see we should be analytic. Those people watching me out there, sometimes we pastor we shouldn't try say we are more intelligent than people who are watching us from afar. There are people who are very, very intelligent more than you. But it's just that you have had the opportunity and you have gotten the platform and they have humbled themselves listening to you. And sometimes you shouldn't act on our intelligence and play very smart. Say you wouldn't before. One moment if you know me on a bit of nyansa. But my dad, I wouldn't want opportunity now to TV show. And when you option where they what you it won't seem be necessary kika who spew certain things say it's not in liar. Sometimes what you say until I'm saying no maybe young for onipa bi ti say Paul. Paul you obi anu odi nuro.
Paul.
Yes.
Bible mu Paul.
Yes.
No tu nuro.
No odi nuro.
Odi nuro gunimu.
Paul you obi anu osombosum if you say when you read certain books very carefully you could see say Paul was into Mithraism. Near was sumi wa friend Mithra. And Paul was into Mithraism. And the time our tea say Christo e kwaso ana wa kansa mpa na onti nioma see. And I'm saying no sumbusu minti no try so be temper with nyame no. Obeni Yesu beso ebeko until say the power of God strike you no. Onipa bibri bi antia say a man who is demonically possessed to a certain frequency can never repent on his own unless God strikes such person. And when God strikes such person, that person needs to be delivered. and bear it in mind that God will not descend from the heavenly perspective and come and deliver such person. He will take the ability or through men of God who are already in the world or in the earth, through their hands or their anointing, and the God will get you delivered. Young for me to say, boy, I know about me. I was saying, Lord Kenya was into staff. I didn't know no answer. He said one day he went out there to do whatever that he wanted them to do, and then afterwards, Nyankopon touch him, which means Nyame strike him. Mumusa Lord Kenya say Nyame strike him. What on tia solifie? Yeni baby an answer there si. Mumusa Lord Kenya say so fu be and deliver no amon paya amano. So this guy on can interviews. So under whose feet did he study? Who taught him? Who laid his hands upon him? So after all, who got him delivered? No, let's forget about church. Who got him delivered? If you say Paul Satrayano, Susumboni Tidimu, Paul Odifo Ananias. Let's see something. Let's go into the Bible. Acts chapter 9, verse 1 down to 3. We should be analytic and sometimes we act on our intelligence. Paul was an evil person. Somebody was signing a death warrant of a nipa. We obey Sisiana or be possessing the spirit of the Lord. So he is full to the level of evilness. And when he got repented, bear it in mind, sir, there was a man of God in the land that or getting it delivered. And who got him delivered? That is why I say these are some of the things that we should expect in this 21st century. If you say yes, you can say me what say. Nipa nyina do wa ye den. And nipa nyina so ye den. So enye obia we shouldn't live to please anybody. Okay. If you tend to live to please anybody, then you will die prematurely. Yes, company ni kura se sabe. Ya kan fu achacha no. Ya kan fu uduafo ne ya kan fu achacha. So, these are some of the things I should say. But go to the Bible and let's see something. Okay, what is happening? Okay. Now, Tienio, what would Tiemi? Osueni be wahifa. Damasco. Ni did what diff one ania. Now, Radika Chireno said, and the Radinaku Bocatren said, I went Niswadim through revelational knowledge. Say, Anania, I know, say, share, me a radi. Na Radika Chireno, and Radika say, so the cobra no our friend no true do so. Sorry, call assassin your friend you true do so. Nakobisa Obi or a friend of Saul. Nakobuso Nipabi was assassin so your friend Saul. Our free task or no actually quine. I will you the fee. Now share or a bomb pie. Or a body empire. So you see, what's any demon Ponamia can the all yet the wine. Or diff one to us way. Do me no. Now who know about maybe or the Anania and so I do say. This is a confirmation. It shows the authenticity of the vision. Here's like the case. When God was revealing things to Prophet Ananias, at the same time, he was also revealing things to Paul. Which shows a confirmation. He doesn't want to contradict himself. To us. Do me okay. Now Anania Buase. Eurade. God, I've heard a lot about this guy. From a lot of people who have given out a testimony against Paul. He has done a lot of things to the children of light. Oh, Jerusalem. Okay. And Ahasusu. When you to me every asofo mpanifo no nsam say. When you to me ayedai. Every asofo mpanifo. When you to me say. Every asofo mpanifo no nsam. Okay, so on your day. Say. Onchire one hour bo udin na. Onchire one hour bo Nyankopon din dey. Enti nipa na woto na wo body this year dey beto look at his attitude. Look at the kind of attitude that he exhibit publicly. I believe he's an intelligent person. So I was expecting to utilize your brains very well because you are a well built man. Looking at your level of pedigree in the society.
Oh, one day. Now do I ever see TV so in the papa money?
Or see what there are people hiding behind scenes, inciting people, influence them to come out and say, this is what we term as character assassination. Why do you know me? I just see you as a misguided element. You are too charlatan. I'm telling the truth.
Prophet, let
me tell you something. No, I'm not angry, but let me tell you something. Listen, get this, Abusua or whatever, get this. You are overstepping your boundaries. And I want you to understand that you should act within your confinement. And those pastors that you come out and label charges at them, I'm not that type. If you want to fight me, you should be intellectually prepared, spiritually prepared. You shouldn't come out and say, I'm powerful, I'm powerful. Let me tell you, power without knowledge will tend to destroy you. If you have powers and you don't have knowledge, it will tend to destroy you. And I can give you a biblical example in the Bible. If you have power and you don't have knowledge, and those who are watching me out there, let me tell you something. Anybody who will come out and say, I have a spirit, but doesn't have the word, is an evil spirit, because the spirit moves with the word. Get this. Anybody who will come out and tell you that I have the spirit of the Lord, but I don't have the word of God, I don't know any Bible or whatever, that person carries an evil spirit. The spirit of the Lord cannot go without what? Cannot act without the scriptures. And let me tell you this. Anybody who comes out and tell you that I have the word of God, but I don't have the spirit, is the flesh. Whatever that will come out of that person is far beyond what the spirit tends to give out. So recite this. By you, Abusua, stay within your confinement and know how to act. Because you've beaten more than what you can chew. I'm too big. I am too big. Tell your master that I know him. I know where he started, where he has been to, the kind of courts that he had associated himself to. I know you people very well. I know you. I'm not warning you, but I'm telling you, stay within your confinement. You are overstepping your boundaries.
Prophet OPATAFOUR.
Now continue the Bible. No, continue the Bible. And God told Ananias, still come.
Now, oyi any adwumade a mayi no say,
where ni nipa ye ni end time say,
obeso me din akwa amanaman,
obe preaching me din, you would be the very person or the channel to carry me, to carry my message to the Gentiles.
Any Israel my enemy.
Yes, to us so.
Dunsia.
What's it say?
Na me na mechere no amane pi.
Ote.
A me din ti esese omu.
Okay, to us so.
Na Anania koshane odan ni mu.
And Ananias,
koshane odan ni mu.
Okay, continue.
Na ode ne nsa kogu ni so ka ase.
Anania went to where Paul was when God had already struck him. God directed Ananias to that place, and God instructed or authoritated Ananias to deliver Paul, because he was operating from the powers of darkness and he was evilly impacted.
I said demon tinimu. Obi a wo akoya saka wa tu nuru dade. I said then.
And then what did? Listen to what transpired between both of them. And you now also was such a who delivered you. Tell us your spiritual father and stop lambasting at people. Stop making noise. Tell us your spiritual father. Let us know where you are coming from. If you are part of the children of light, let us know. I have accepted to be part of the kingdom of darkness. You claim to be the son of light, but I believe very well that God is so intelligent and very powerful to the extent that He will never allow you to come out to come to the public and spew such kind of nonsense. Talking without recourse to decency and futuristic approach. This is a dirty behavioral pattern. Insulting to such level, I believe you've lost your manners. Allow yourself
prophet,
to be taught.
Prophet, yeah, fatu from prophet. Me person obubefu.
Let me educate him very well. I believe he needs
to be
taught.
Fatu. Me person me who say Prophet OPATAFOUR o show nyame dwuma ase enye ne but ye kumase on la di ye hu beji mu na amanfo bi fi say enne na wo be sha ase aye nyame dwuma menim say wa bere me de me no wasan wa bere ye na me hu mahu ye no wasan che me hu se wakasa atia sofo bi da
okay
na menim ada woni sofo bi wo problem ana.
You see, in the first place, I am never touched or pleased with whatever that will come out of any man of God found on earth.
Because per the guy ka say we mu no person omu brewe ase di we besi so.
Is it?
Ti bibisa na mes na nya medwuma de sanke nyina na ye.
Let me tell you something. In the first place, I wasn't a person who called that man of God into ministry. When I'm friend by Nyam.
Now you're there.
Me ba cho me no prediye.
Na me person me hu no.
Me no we should be analytic. Me no prediye. Over me two way me members here 3 a. And one me ni so. OPATAFOUR nya ni berefo.
Na mo na nkuma.
Na me mpa me ho anya.
TV nyina mo na mo wo be empempem. Obi a be predi.
Me mpa me ho anya o. And opa go school na your doctorate, masters, PhD. I respect you very well in terms of educational wise. But when you come out and you don't use the office that you've acquired properly, that is when me show na me tell say any na de na ekura wo no emfasodie bi anya den eni so what to adura ade eni akonfo man nim
ya akonfo man
we nim say ya na no mo so abosom. But they were very disciplined, and because of discipline into no omu timi chechire abusua no ena na wo
man no kure mudwo
o man ni mudwo
nyanda
ena mo amusi nyankopa hu
wa sacrifice ya kum ni pass ni pa no
obi amusi nyankopa hu na you act as a sentimental naive. What is wrong with you? Me tuwa mu master ya odi na chi ni bibi anya me fe on opo wonya billions. I don't care. Upon say we are seeing money, I don't care. That is none of my business. Latest, you have TV, you have if you think you are strong, when you die, carry your own coffee.
Prophet of OPATAFOUR,
oh yes.
I was your first you are branch and some crime in person.
No, let me finish. If you think no, if you think you are strong, if you die, carry your own coffee. I'm telling you the truth. So if you say what day, yes, if you think you are strong, but when you die, somebody will carry you to your mortal grave. Then let me speak sense into you. It's high time that you humble yourself for people to sympathize with you. Let me tell you the truth. Go to Matthew chapter 18 verse 3 to 5. Go to Matthew 18 verse 3 to 5 and let me speak sense into the guy.
Matthew to do what you son.
Okay. Okay.
Now what can I say?
Jesus says something.
No, can I say? No kura mesimu
say. No kura mesimu say. If you don't, you see, you claim that you have been called by God. I believe you've watched him. Look at her. And I'm God. In that day, he said you need to be taught. Allow yourself for education to pass through you. I'm telling you the truth. Don't tend to. You see, don't allow money to influence you. That's the problem that we have in the nations of our world. Don't ever allow yourself for money to influence you. Let me educate you. Say heaven now can. Say no kure say abrantie. Say heaven one seven now can dia. Any tie. Was it the one yesterday?
One and anya se mofra.
So one yes akwala.
Muntumi shene osoro aheni enu.
Muntumi shene osoro aheni enu.
To obiara obebre ne ho ase.
Do nipa bi obebre ne ho ase no.
Sa abofra yi no.
Sadie ya.
Abofra yi no. Ono ara na oye okese kura osoro aheni enu.
I believe maybe on Tichi Kobrofo ni mami. Okay.
And said,
this is what Jesus said. If you claim you're a man of God, discipline yourself. Don't come out and bisect your mouth anyhow. Spew nonsense publicly, claiming to be a man of God, a man of respect, a man of honor. You want people to respect you, and you come out and say such kind of things. I'm very sorry. Discipline yourself. Live within your confinement. Don't overstep your boundaries. I'm a leader, and you're also a leader. Learn sense. Okay, continue.
Verily I say unto
you.
except ye be converted.
Except ye, you Abusua, being converted.
And become as little.
And become as little and humble and desist and do away with your charlatan attitude. Acting like an ignorant person. Ye shall what?
Not enter into the kingdom of God.
You shall not enter into the kingdom of God. Come down and humble. Allow yourself to be taught. You don't know anything. From what you said shows clearly that you are ignorant. And I'm only responding to you not because of anything, but it's because of where you've mounted your platform. You see, from Genesis to Revelation, it has a lot of mysteries, a lot of keys, and a lot of things that people need to hear. Now listen to me. When you get such opportunities and you claim that God has called you, please take the plight and then preach the gospel to people. This is what I'm doing. That's why I don't make mention of any man of God on my platform. I always want to tell people the truth, speak what I know and what I think. So I always tell people that you shouldn't sit down for somebody to come from elsewhere and tell you that this is what is necessary for you to do. You should be analytic. When a man of God comes out and gives us a preaching, sit down and be analytic. Think of whatever that he said. If you think it's not in contact with the word of God, you just boycott it and go away. But firstly, you and that your so-called master that you're comparing me to, firstly, you are a paragon of failure. And I'm urging those who are following me that please and please and please don't listen to the bandwagon of my detractors. Please and please and please and please. I don't want you to listen to the bandwagon of my detractors. Those who are hiding behind scenes, inciting people, telling people a lot of stories. This is what you term as characters. As they want to tarnish my image. I have never and ever associated myself with anything which is untruthful. Me know obi anante misramo.
Na obetimi aba nhihye ho.
Me nya nhihye ho da. Me know obi ani sabe asembia. Stay in your boundary. Stay in your territory. But when you think you want to undermine my kingdom, I'll prove to you, say, Master, utumi now can wa yakwala. Catcher or master and say, if he thinks he knows, you should come out and tell the public what you think God has given to him. You shouldn't hide behind scenes for you to come out and fight me. Maybe no unko da mabodi da. Now kura me modin. If you say any of my pebie no efru mu ba. Omo e wo wiase ne Ghana nyina hu nioma efru mu ba. Attitude ne character mu ni na mu nyina ya hu. Ya swansa. Ya hunu die mu oduro. So when and all these media men are Etienne Kumasi online here no. They are professionals.
Media house be near the ha. Munya de ya beside your man so nimia. Beside any boy, Mumisa Nase, go pokuna muhune and movies or a small boy mamma.
Is he a some way by and on? Metuana radini din komobi.
I know no monty asian, okay, they say, I know Prana, a kuma mouthful. I will free through her bed. I know that to Obacoma. I rather do come as a prophet.
I don't know radini din komobina.
Aha, bit
me who are somewhere in
a jacka. What me, I don't have any radini come on. Me radini din come. Jana pay a jackofi a sending me video, say, Papa. Say. Go could the video in the video,
mom. Now say, I'm a time video need the children ready and compose. I brand TV, some work. Now, I already can't send bitch rem. Now, someone catch them and
hey, Prophet OPATAFOUR.
I send them more to pa.
Sir,
yes,
yeah, we get any check.
Now, Onyankopon quote to certain quotations, and he threw more light on it. Now, there, me catch them and say, oh, the aqua was say, a man hame or yaboa.
Oh,
yeah. I'm say how?
Sabi, you dear.
No.
I say, why?
I rather say, well, or yaboa. Now, me busa say, why?
The free papa na numba.
Say, wait, I will show you or yaboa. Just that he possesses human characteristics. But his attitude and everything, he has been labeled or channeled as an animal, and he will forever remain as an animal unless he allow himself. I'm yet to know. You won't crofo bi we ase a Nyankopon ka kire ne say obo omo no for whatever reason no omusu atiti omumu no omo te say mmoa but owo nipa su
Ojina how we nipa
ojina ho odidi
oye bi
why oba or female genitals or bema su or male genitals odidi oye sex otimi wo otimi pesika so nya bi but adwene tani tirim
okuta aboa su
okura aboa attitude and the idea ye ne fa bia wo wiase no onse utimi senior di hata ho na aboa ponche of awon ne ma wasi
obetietie ma
no obetietie so na nkwa brantie ti ba bia young guy ma metra wan snifi koke out twist awi kenya afefe de etese ne ma yesi no ba ya aboa ntino tietia so and God told me say the amount sankofo ne ye mmoa omusu won kasa ye what comes out of them and echeso ye mmoa na sa mmoa ne ntinu omu su nim faso de mo no awurade Nyankopon
de papa na ka no
enti awieye mre no obekum won omu nya Nyankopon ahenie mu nda yan hwade
o chiro ba bia ehon nsam
yes
na e Bible
2 Peter chapter 2 verse 12
Kofi yan kofe san sam wo ho asemu prophet OPATAFOUR
I'm telling the truth
de papa na ka no
tienio 2 Peter chapter 2 verse 12
o say na ye num de
san crofo we obi ti say abusua ne sofo no amu de
what is say emwa a woni agire
omu ti say moa omu ni adwere
a wonsu ene wawo won
omu su a tira say omu ye nipa say omu kura bema and what trend and to my years go free yo say dey odisi we and in saso nkawa say afa ni wa be di hin foforo
ye yanko yo for
yes sabranti tio wonsu ni say
wawo won say
yawo o ma ba wi ase say yawo o nipa keke na mo o mu ye mmoa nti
say won kire won ensay
ye be say won keke yes
what no
yes tio ye yawo o mu ni na wi ase anu nti na utimi mo obi sika sometimes during uti we na mamma sika say kokum obi o ye prominent obeko firstly one thinking about the risk involved one didn't say nipa no or is nipa to say wa nti dey nti na kokuno but sanko for we abusua okum nipa da na okum nipa da
okum o rich
enti dey na tie say we nipa abusua we no dey na tie say we nipa
sika no akwaje osi ho ye we
yes enti dey na tie say no master na mo dey me compare no ya boa woni nim dey if say one ma kwan say bra be di matam da I'm telling you to aso edie be na mo ya moa no wo dey yanti
wakadi e woni mu asembo
omukadi woni mu asembo ne wo se me da musie when was the last time you saw me I believe I was expecting to speak with facts you should have come woni mu wahin abusia where did you know me ushia me why it was say aboa na ya ade a entiase anya dey enim o ya de eto
wakadi e woni mu asembo ne
omukadi omuni mu asembo ne
wo be say wo ankasa wo say mu
wo mu ankasa omunu asem no when they come out with something and you sit down and analyze certain things you could see said there's a little bit of deception in asem omoka dumiensa
na wo be nya de entene so akatua
omudi eniom entene ajiwe kokunu no akwaji hu akatua no adi also for way so sadaka kasa wani mada also opeja if you see painful nyina etie no young guys and man some hwe na mo step on down na mo nka bi shada yeso we okotini sadaka sisi
bu obi
sadaka so bu obi sadaka so yesi
one OPATAFOUR ofra na so 10 million bra
na me kura bo se me kura me tuwe me di 10 million me nya so na me suffocate wo
so kura say iswa na wo ye kura ton de say
oil cry say na the 10,000 Ghana cedis
eni gu ase for
I bet to me na me so
ka krama mo na mo be gu manu ase say wo twere nim na me nim
tuaso
If you open a nidia, and da a who here asetna.
What you open a nidia and da a who she asetna, and was a sanka, wabedra, anger, well, who had a new way. We are Nico Suasuna when I'm in the moment. Jimmy. I'm telling you the truth. One day, I feel money, Tiano. Hey, I mean, if I been a baby, I said, "Yeah, Sano."
I am what?
Wait, Jimmy, we are boa.
Bible see a cool.
What necessary the sana? Well,
Over the water
because if I saw man so, I'm telling you what this. Now, what we are saying, some of these presenters and those people who we stood against the kingdom of God, where are they right now?
A bit of fear, a be academa, a we are bokura.
I'm telling you that
they are one year can't not on the so cancer because they have platform. And that they are real woman. We don't know to them, yani a corner a combo scared.
To us, which am I?
Why, and Kakayan them?
Why, dear?
And
What you are cutting, Kakai, when them what did them? To was a being who become a father until you tell me who your spiritual father is. There's a quite way, partner your spiritual father there. And I'm telling you the truth, so you have a long way to go. I'm telling you, you are somebody that I have much in abundance, integrity, and I no way you're far intelligent with regards to your master. Look at what comes out of me. So what gives you the credibility? Say, you know more than. And let me tell you something. To move, you're overstepping your boundaries. Continue the word.
But you say, what they want a pimpancy about you.
What day? On my pimpancy na pampamu. They be what did you a hoofy.
Now, so on it, won't edit.
Party. Or Quatica Credia. No head daba.
Oh, Eddie Jana, you have any say.
Oh, my son of Crisis yard. So, dear, Usa.
Such Rana can you now some of
Oh, we are wow. Oni baby biara mama che wade about what me do na MP ama obi say on sa ballot box we
Kotam boss
no he never sat down to ruminate about it and rethink or rethought wisely say what is the risk involved. Why should you fight for somebody who cannot protect your right? That should be the first thing that should come in mind. Why should you fight for somebody who cannot protect your right? How many years now?
Yeah, 4 years.
Good. Obeba. And young people, you know, ebimu are very good. Honorable ministers, ebimu are very good. Ebimu are born pesuaso. But ebimu so. That is what they do. It is a obia utu baby, unka obia. No obiti baby. What I know? No also planning. Said DI and assassin. Oh, the bro. Evilness, character assassination. That is why African. We are not progressing. The whole mentality of African continent. What we are capable of doing best. Pulling down, backbiting, hiding behind, is agitating, inciting. Mimi tu emi nfa ho.
Usia no wahin.
Opata. Na me wana minimu. Mimi ni ada. E ba so di machi a. Nana, so di machi, openu di machi, Reverend Doctor. Obi ba be catch us opata for mini ni fira oboa. Minim sofu bia sofu ba ko pe na minim organ ha. Emi pe mabo ni a chiro. Obi aye me da ma obi anye madamfo. Nobody is my friend. Nobody. And I catch you that say, "Untimi show obi se chinchina da one sachina." Is it possible? Just come out, throw the word into the world. If they think what you are saying, it makes sense, they themselves will retract and come and follow you. Now, be so OPATAFOUR na dia how do me compare obi? Na bobia be do sadia osua pragu. Bobia be do sadia osua pragu. I'm the spiritual meet usunsum now can tell us the world be na call. Okay, in other case, if you think you are powerful, you case in free physical and from realms. Why?
Prophet OPATAFOUR.
In that case,
and you call in the realms.
I say why powerful. TNA. I say Abusua. So you powerful.
One God.
No, me pesa dino. Abusua so you powerful. My case not free physical. And I'm promising the whole world, I'll give you a kidney failure. Trust my voice.
Prophet, you fancy you?
No, me say.
Prophet.
Abusua kidney failure.
Danny Abusua.
No, Mr. Men Chamano. What say me? What tarnish me? What tarnish me image to a certain level. We say no original minister be friend. Now you some kito. Abusua will say we are powerful. Media chow. Kurano. I'm promising the world. Just 3 months, I'll give you a kidney failure and prove to you I'm far superior. Don't dare me. Live within your confinement. Don't overstep your boundaries. I will give you a kidney failure.
Prophet OPATAFOUR.
I will give you a kidney failure. O master no. Catherine say, "Busa no me try to touch na sunsun."
Prophet.
Tino cast man kono.
Prophet.
Hey, Mr. Ojaisa.
Me pesa o ba for man.
Me say o master no ko Catherine no. Me try to touch na sunsun. Anything o kasa am ko akiri no. Te wono se wa bia ne nan na. Odi enioma agumu no metwa. Na on peja bi wa senke. Me na me kade ato demi. I will use you as a scapegoat to tell everybody just 6 months. I will give you a kidney failure. I'm promising the whole world. I will sacrifice you and prove to you say wo unye obi abeka me en ha me. Na wo kodi unuro na asa ba wo di fi abeka me. Me okronkron ni ohoti ni o. Me ntra de fi wo. Obi ani wo no obeka kyerem say oni OPATAFOUR metia. Always be a me hwefie. Me mbie da. If you say one edi machi no me innocent souls. But when you want to tell me, say, maybe I will prove you. Bible said, "Na Paul catch him say, let's end the call bedroom for why me boni bebre. Me yi na ma bonsam. Ya me tua ne ka. Say the university. Unyam be tua o ka say the university. Wo kidney failure be chiwa mo afon. Wiase nyina be huwo abusua. Wo no master no mu de mu hada mu wiye ye beduru. Continue the scriptures.
Do nine.
What's he saying?
Well, any our say, I shall.
Well, when you are saying, I saw for now dinner to him for you our farm. Obi the Nina Janu Afan. When him crop for Mama, what say on life? When him crop for our Kumwam. When Nikos Yawari say Yasuma, crop for you know, man, new Mada. I sent crop for our only background. Pania who went and one day you couldn't really feel so. So God gives you the temerity so to me, I invade into my privacy and tarnish my image just like that. You see, I'm promising the whole world. I will use as Abusua as a sacrifice. And obewu wo bi wo wiase a ono obebo ne nsem wo awie no. No obo ne nsem ahu se wo de nsa ka nyame ba. Tuaso
ere enwu awobone ho da.
Ani wu obone ho. Na kade obone na maye me ma ju bibi. Ana ma fa wo yere ana ma ju girl. Wani wo obone ho anka de oye obeye. Tuaso
Wadada akra a wona se enya ntimi.
Wana nanka. Asemu ya uken ko obi no obefa ni serious. Why? Obi obedi wu nkrofo we yachi bia ya akra o masi nya ntimi na mo dada hom. Aza mo ye nyina me mahu bata me afa me ho efisanya na mfre o boss no. Ba o boss na nim se me huma no me nya bete. Me are strong spiritually and physically. That's why I told you if you have money I have much in abundant integrity. More than you. Be me a platform the kasana men kasa you get to know samasa. Usha. Allow yourself for education to pass through you. But we Abusua there, but say, I will use you as a scapegoat. Abusua to aso.
Wa kuma abi anibre mu.
Wa bi anibre. Na ka de ma betina say, ye pese ye di mi tu sa wo no. Na wo dia na wo a mi bi ba betu.
Ni bibrefo.
We ye ni brefo.
Bibrefo. So sam na kan no kura.
Sa sam na ye pese ye di mi ko tu obi.
Na no kura wan kan sa.
Na ono ni so fudie no odi na me fa no.
Ya competition.
A puto anani cast na mu dia hen. Ena me sole am tabi mu ana me fa.
Me juma na fe man competition.
Ye di mi
akra na we yesem.
I'm not part of anybody and I'm not competing with anybody. I am in my lane and what I'm doing is what is pulling people to follow me. Me betra na kam keka nsem nsem fata nko bi ani machu. But I've taken to myself say I'll let people know the light. It won't mean deceive obia. To aso
Wo ye nuabomma.
we nuabomba anso o keka no obobo abusuo di wase wo na ye kama anto wo na ye kama anto mo abedi masem let me tell anto anso nya wo sha baby am dure sunsuma ko dure nya anto o na Kristo ni ofo nya me foforo kra nkonkra betre ne mu new convert for kra anto abeti
bi ekuno
na me panyimu hwa me mo aso hwa ma beti die sisi so when wo so ko sunsun baby a o dam to me na da wani so abodam oni ye nyina kire se wabodam fa wo dam ne tena ofie me say I will use you as a scapegoat me nsire o hwe woni ma so for ma kam ya o mo nyina ma sell woni mintia me say ordinary member bi na be kam ya kam mu ane da because so bia wa mistake ba wo na wo so we sofo a wasachira na onyankopon ti man chiro se me ye ne ba ma ba wi ase several times na wa be sa ade. That is what you did. I'm going to sack Jesus. But I'm telling you, maybe I will use you as a scapegoat. I'm promising the whole world. I will give you a kidney failure and you will die a premature death. I'm telling you. You will remain forever cursed and you will never see the light. For I have not come into your privacy. Twaso.
Dunum. Waja okwantre ne no akofam okwan.
Na wonka wokwan papa we da ho anka wokodi gbensamoni achi. Ka wokwan papa da ho anka woja achire. Nye kwan bone ne waja kwan pa wakodi achire anka me nipa obeso de atia. Twaso.
Wakofu nkwan akofa bill Babiliam.
Ati ase billion. U billion wo yese hwan want to me Israel. If so Israel your man yeshira no. How dare you so be touching me? Who say me nyame nhira aboro so asase ne so. Ana wa shut down wa ba be touch me fi say wa fom kwampa ehun fi na tinimu. Obie no nyame ba obeso de atia me dan fi say me ni aquatic world bia ni chaka. Ana me ni secret society bia ni chaka. Me ni okonfo bia ni chaka. Na me kura me preach am me obidi. Nipa betima kase mabo ni di kura mbo ye hwan akwaku nsampe. No, Denis who ko be ka me mo ni di da. Obedi matam na me put you where he deserves. Nipa ma preach abo ni di akwaku nsampe why because me de yan hwaso de. Say if nyansa wo kwaku nsam tirimu no, wo ni nyansa e cha asofo ni bi mu a sabe wo motete wo mo se wo mo ya asofo. If you say kwaku nsam kura point me ma out wo master no e meye de wo ye na. Dia na chesa wo master wo nyansa che kwaku nsam. Ono na mo free say wo ye bo nsam no. Asema de bia metaka no. Jimi mi mo obi adi. Mi mo obi adi wo mi preach mu. Stay within your walls. But let me tell you, if you stay, whether you stay within your walls or whatever, still, I will curse you for you to suffer. I'll prove to the world how the power of God is. If you want to make mockery of anybody, not me, I will use you as a scapegoat to the world. Twaso.
Ono ana opedie entene aketua.
Na ujade a uyeye.
Na yasemo.
O pade etena aketua. Want me am praise nyame. De nyame nipa na adon sa koka no. Twaso.
Dunsia. Nanso onya ne mrato watanyi.
Onya ne mrato watanyi na me yi waten no. Twaso.
Afunumu a ontumi nkasa.
Afunumu a ontumi nkasa.
Edi onipa ne ekasa esi odifo no akwasi asem ho kwan.
Yes, me pa chom ye afunumu. Me mpekasa. Obi oni miani so OPATAFOUR, I'm not that type. Tina call kra wo frame ya edi. Me nyo obi a me pekasa. But who say me kasa say dia? Trust my voice. Me afunumu or say me dia no esi ni nkwasi asem na no kwan. No keka kɔ de hɔtoro to aso
dunso ativia asem ɔsɛ ye nipa yenum eye emura a ensuo nim
oye wura nsuo nim nyankopo asem ye nsuo to ba bonte a quotation read try and explain to people for them to understand it. Genesis to Revelation and some of how we just hold back our quarter somewhere. Do our when I'm frozen. Nyawena nyame frozen. Obi a one nipa wo se me a small boy. Magic to me a small boy. Now wa sabi. Wa wo tia me pa no anti me pa utilize your brains very well say I'm telling you say then there is a mistake somewhere. To aso
Suwisie am from abohu ederekro.
Right. We obeye gidi bo hu na nyame aku na twere.
Wana wadi asum kabi asie wo.
Wom di asum kabi wudi na chi abusua don't waste your time and listen to that guy. He doesn't he has never repented. When they deliver him from occultic powers in him.
When you repent.
No, repenting is a strategy. It's a strategic way devising to extract money from people.
Only repentant
spirits on sign.
Asemo.
Obua abusuan sign.
Wasi wa hunya me obua.
Ohunu wai. Okay, ohunya me a o meka de nyame kan mi nti. Mimi nyame me ka o yo, me ka o ye. To aso.
Ahakra na ye me den.
O se say.
Do watch. Na wakeka akokosem ahwi nim.
Wakeka akokosem ahwi nim. We o ka ahwi nim. Now so I have buanti with the hwenanim. With the hwenanim what the two. Why no wango. We are also the micro per market too. Because he made a certain statement. I say wow ko OPATAFOUR bi anye ye bia bra me ho. Fre wango na me nyama. Me di na wo didi ho.
Ambush marketing. Obi mmira na.
Mimi mmira mpedi na wudi di ho.
Azafo ache.
And dem pacho ubedi kidney failure. Ubedi di mimi di ho. Me say sofo bie ni ho obesori atia ma me de be che no wiase. Kopim wiase ma ye beba biem. Na me kira so se me nyame ba, me nyame akoa o. I'm telling you. Was one day di onyankopon di ye no ma won to me say. O me nyame ma. Me nyame ba. Be very careful. Be very careful. To aso.
Wonam akonomu di ahorisem edada wona odwane free won a wobo na ada abra no mu enkyere.
Oti. Nam akohwikwan so. Ana we akwaji aduro. We di omfiri nyame. We di watu aduro. We di we say. We di we say. Saa no mdi ye Yesu Kristo. So why say. Bia na maye. O ma hwa se nkomo pa bi charge abo ba mo hami o hu ba bia me kra mete. Ti be ya so o ji aduro. Or your court, or your this. To us,
Dunkro. Or show one addition, dear humbo.
Or show an addition, dear also by ocean addition, dear humbo. Or say, oh, friend, or show boss obey yet the old Renade at the amount. Also, crow aqua, if it's a Satan or aqua fritted, your born so much munyame, to crowd so me. Bonsamo so me. To us.
Na wade waya opro nkoa
waya dia opro dia
nkoa
we unsa wasai na lumas mo kan pa nyansa be ni wo mpanyini wa wanyini in fact mpanyini se sabe obi de na asem ebejawa nya onyansa asem no peta no opon kwase adene ene wo otirimati tinko obi kura asema wono wo de asem na benyawo ente wo nyansa asem be ba na oba out be kan when to me anka say etiefo obia mfa nyame oba ya say omra one god ho obeba 7 gods ho no obeba nya one god obeba 7 gods ho no obeba me say what I will use you as a scapegoat. I'm promising the whole world omu edi mechi no sama anya wa anya obi me na me yaw kidney failure wo de market memma mo jan no gu mo ma wiase ni pa hu bi say yes. Na me the why you so there to aso
every say the edi obisu nkunim no eno na eye no akoa.
Yes, the edi usu nkunim na aya so akoa. So what me aba abontia bebo me din dia asem edi usu nkunim ma ye wakoa nti upa so obese me. You don't mean say me o za so for na o ka o ma na o ko me de masa. I'll fight you spiritually and make sure what I'll say will come into power. It will come into reality. I'll fight you. Now kidney, special kidney. Bini wiase. Wow, to one with the dances are quite one kidney.
Kidney ni bini wiase.
Now kidney failure bini wiase.
If we have an aba.
Special yare. Bin sita.
Prophet or PATAFOUR.
All the regional ministers and those who were calling me yesterday. I'm very sorry to talk in this way. But I believe this guy is highly uncultured human. We have to discipline him and put him where he deserves. According to Curs S Abusua, ketre makra otete so ye tu ya papers wo duru. Oni pa ni free now of film do of fame bosom eye wo tiri be ye wo asase be so ne gozi ne sai. De bia na be ti be yi. Ya di abri panyame asemati o. So massa so of power sir. Face me. Me dem me ya manasi o. Enye sa ma be kana agro na video. Me ya mo wo say yes sampa akwa no aye. So master na hini egumia na meku no. Ma ku ni spiritually. Ma bu de me say dragon bia ni wo ye wo betra ga na so biam. Christ alone. What do up demi? Now demi one demi upa pam still kidney failure am the mama. Obe pam chop am fan tell. Masa me sell. Ma catch ro. So we pay media obi o na adene se odi nyankopon ma ni be fam na onyame ma obeki kansam abo ma hwete no me ni siri o me ni siri okra wo ba bia free ba ni animu tama to aso waka 20 no okay
na se wonam awurade ene aginkwa Yesu Kristo hunim de Yesu adwane wiase fin
wote kafnam Yesu Kristo nim de Yesu usi Yesu na afro Yesu be ka to ko isi na onim se Yesu tam krampo no na atrufu adifo but wan kan o montoka. Do you know why? Because him say da biara dan tokɔ bɛba bia na asundue ni wɔ man nim na asundue so ni wɔ man nim abɛyɛ dɛn ana watima awe ni akra to aso
na wɔtoato wɔ mu bio edi nkuguo a
wɔtoato mu bio edi nkuguo a
wɔn akyiri asetena adane wɔn bɔne akyɛ ne
wɔn akyiri asetena adane wɔn bɔne
akyɛ ne akane
ai bɛkyɛn kane no wɔakyiri asetena bɛyɛ bɔne nipa nyina bɛpamo o master na no edura no awia o difu edura na de o mala no asesa ne kasa obi ba no mo be check ya we say unim na no apa ma akọ no hwe me woni video ate enya mistake. Stay within your confinement, and if whether you stay there or not, still I will use you as a scapegoat. Yes, sir. Mary, the person catch you, yes, sir. Maybe I tell you, I'm rich now.
Prophet, I will tell you, now, you as I want to be now, what did you see Europe weekend see?
I don't say.
Obashan come have video in the mama Abusua for my panel. Sir, and from a beer, but now you're crying him, say, and you're not. A free Thursday based in Sunday.
Okay.
And from maybe America crowd and on more money me didn't come free one. Light call off almost 4 hours. And from America and you stand from a would now say from a gig yes and from maybe a poor Europe. Now prophet no na and no na ma asofofo bi akoya 10 ya. Yeah how I feel them come share yeah they say yana. Prophet of OPATAFOUR.
Now Israel. Wait, now him said from when you change from no.
They are okay yeah no.
Where you assassin from na mo te poase o.
They buy weekend.
I want to so pa mo checking we. Me dem maintain there but na me hwe.
Abrochefo, hey, man na weekend yo.
Ah.
Course. Na kofo kukra de na hand de na bon. And from and the be from a shase na yempio e poma kura wutimi mi yempoma.
Hey, serious sir.
Na enya chinsha from na.
Dabio. We nya chinsha we assassin no from na. Omuna na ekikabom ahweba biom chinsha from e de say mimi to yi na bia na na do dan ka kufuado. Invite bia country bi so president. Asa na na do na penipa. Ba bia osiese ba bia president ni ba obede.
Ode no be fa.
Ode no be da. Chinsha from no. On the 20th March.
Chinsha from
on the 20th of March.
Prophet OPATAFOUR yetio.
To 16th April.
20th March to 16th April.
Tio.
Mitiopa. Then
20th of March to 16th April. 20th no be sanu wo wiase. Now obedi wiase so many days at least 21 day on.
Chinsha from many be 21 days. I was así so.
Yes. The baby oba obe stay no. And you know. Asase anu from na no pe baby no.
Ti plan na no mo do.
Omo plan no.
Nti frama na ehu no weekend no mo drop.
Oh, I need you.
Baby be twa afa.
Me say me.
Prophet OPATAFOUR.
Enti frama bi obebo from Saturday to today, you know. And from many be my da na the boy Europe na no and no yet asase anu frama nan. If he says I'm from na no ba no te say buburo fita ejatua atua na okabo mu a plan na dua eja sei na ja damu hye. Na sabofo ne so nko panish
India for
afeni okọ India ti osane obesi India no osi India no atre because
30th March no
because we have the second
India
o chai almost 26 countries. Ghana is part.
Hey, Prophet OPATAFOUR ote hawa nkaisa ote ana
Na nkaisa metia
na ga ode yaka ho
ha masada na mayi bia afrim
nti Ghana na ebetwa afa kuma ase be fam ana
akwa na otenkran no so abe o me
nti ne ho before nti na ode Ghana be fam
dabi so abe o stop bofo na oba
ontwan komshe na
ontwan na komsho ye Yesu Kristo adi yensamu a etwa se eba
nti 30th March to 16th
April 20th
March to
16th April
ebi be si Ghana ha
oh
apena na
Abana to try and no your original one. Where white one? You will blue one be hot a jar. A jasaya, a piassassin, and their bow. A friend would take more for a penny. So I know so the judges. Would they wear your BBS Abusum and your judges? Chain. Or take more for a penny and castle free slow ban will be from 20th. No, we are seeing our tenenka.
20th March.
Oh, on my tenenka. Tana be a big Johnny from a beer bob, a boon, your boot, boot, massa. 12. I need to be a bit breaking inside Jano. Aye, Sapra now. I know that by America for the same lunching be a baby or Jimby. UK,
America for Raman, no UK free. How about Raman?
What do you account?
Hey, Africa, so account,
Nigeria account, India account, China,
Ghana,
Russia, Brazil,
Ghana, yeah, ever him.
Ghana, Kumasi, the no yet Chinshan from my assassin from Manai. I think
no difference.
I know the difference in it to say America, ye.
I know a
assassin from Manai.
For Europe, baby. I know never
dying, but people put down Kumanoma and we assassin from Manai. Just as I bought for no mere 4. And you watching Shan from Man, I know do the Puma the Bobo Accra. No, the Biabo is him.
And also Bassy Jan and Frama.
About Bossy Jan and Frama a dear Shia.
Jan and Frama a
dear Shia.
Our crown is north. Oh, dear Bagana, 20th March to 16th. You were flash as in a
we are in a short time. No, no, it is one for I will be yes, nothing. We do for years why. Bomodia for years. Enemy OPATAFOUR. When I even come out and say something that doesn't make sense, don't pick it. When I come out and say something that doesn't make sense, don't pick it. For years, and will be a one God. Now 7 goals war. This old church with just 7 goals war. I go for one God, I am mistake. In Sanko Yanko Pon say, "Oh my OPATAFOUR." We are going to Jesus Christ. We are going to ZENITH or read the Mayan. She yes when him. Did you have an until way on time? But so could Jina Hon no ye one God. Would chum. Dear Berry Arsenal.
Prophet OPATAFOUR.
Germany, Italy, Brazil,
France account.
Oh.
Denmark munyina ka.
Oh.
Australia shishi.
Lie.
La ayi fo ka ho. Brazil fo ka ho.
Ah, omo kwado omo na ka ho.
Me Brazil fo.
Omo ka ho ba.
Na o say ayi ka ho. France, Holland, Amsterdam fo so.
Amsterdam fo ka.
Eh, o magu o.
Na say afena asukotwa na ekum nipa no obeba o.
And also, nsuo na aso ya twa na ese.
Say block bo pew. Ebi modi nka baba nye ono. Senior man na nkwa nka se ba.
Prophet OPATAFOUR. Abusuafo eno na yakoka ni se ya. Omo sese yefisa azan ye yo. Nya azan o. Mo amote abrochire mu nim. Nsuo no so OPATAFOUR ye wura hoda yakoja nsuo se entom frama mafa ama ya nya.
America yi ni ho. America we must egu America. I respect them so much. We know a different go America. But these things is something which is born to happen. And nobody can withstand it. Bien obeti me twemu asenu. Bien yo. Ya kakra de Dubai afra na ho bi ne ka.
Hey, Dubai for so ka o.
Hwe.
Say the wiase say ya na.
Enye wiase say ye.
Na no e dia bone nko na prophet ye di.
Makatio say ewurade so so che say owo ho.
Nti wo so ne ho ama ada say hu say ote ase.
Isaiah 29 verse 6.
Kofi ya hwe ma me bia men kai. Ye hwe de ewurade ka. Kofi ma ho nya hamsere o ma ni wie som no.
What say?
Isaiah 29
verse 6 what say?
verse number
6 what say?
What you say?
APATAFOUR beba abesra wo.
APATAFOUR beba besra o man from 20th of next month to the 16th of April.
na ɔde apra na ane asase wo so
ɔde apra na ane asase wo so
ɛne jejeje kɛse
wiase nyinaa bɛ obi anya asindue
kyinhyia mframa ɛne ahum
no
ahum no yɛ den no
ahum no na ɔte sɛ gya ɔwɔ ha no ɔno atu no na wiem sa no akɔtɔ baabi wo na am sɛ mframa na bɔ gya no firi akɔtɔ ha
na hɔhye
ɔyɛ ahum ofiri soro ɔtu hwi ma me nhye hafoɔ no kakra
oh okay tu be hu na gya tɔ ha ko vi yakɔ
ɛne ogya mframa a ɛhye adeɛ na bɛba
ogya mframa ɛdɛ
ɛhye adeɛ
and I'm specific 20th
March
20th
Prophet OPATAFOUR Abusua Prophet OPATAFOUR na mote ne nka no ɛna deɛ no nka ho na ayi yɛse akwa bi de one god a wayɛ asafo achebi ɛna wɔbɛsɔre Kumasi online so na yɛnso yɛpɔ ne kakra kyerɛ no yɛdum bɛsi ha Prophet wodi bibi bɛtwa
Nyankopɔn nhyira wo ɔyɛ ne de adanse ho ɔyɛ wa wotimi ne srama agye wo kɔ baabi ani bre ani a ebre ade
ofiti
ɛno ahwɛ papa we yasɛm ɔka yi ni chairman wɔnyɛ nipa ketewa o
na no dia sɔle nsɛm dia ya de ehunu hɔ no da yɛ bɛhyɛ asɛ sɛ yɛ bɔ adanse yɛ no ɔmbɛdwane o na Prophet OPATAFOUR adanse mpanyimfo edi adanse yɛ wɔ video si nyina wɔ hɔ mmerepam yɛ bɛma mahu na mfi sɛ azan yɛ nyina bɛyɛ unima kuku da sɔfo mpanyimfo a ɔmo ani twɛm nya daye so ɔmo aba sɔle fie di adanse a yɛ ne camera twitwa ɔmo the last time yɛ video sɛ muhu kakra bi we yɛ ada churches a difo mpanyimfo aba sɔle fie edi adanse na ɔmo de sɛ akwa abɔkɔla siwa asafo akyɛ ɔbɔ kete de agro bi na odi Prophet ka yɛ wie som no na yɛ nkɔ na we de
thank you very much. I really appreciate you people's support and I really love you so much. And then 27th of March there's an upcoming an upcoming program. 27th of March is going to be something else.
I said na abɛfra papa ni sani enimu
Say me program keke
o si papa yi be si for 20th March
and unti na mpese nyina yeslem e all believers so enya OPATAFOUR sorry o
tia Christopher nyina ye hwe
if you believe Jesus come there and pray. If you believe Jesus come there and pray. If you believe Jesus come there and pray. It is the 27th of March, this coming March 27 2020. And your program can see
papa ba ba ya twa ne grass me ne dani ya dikai ya onu kro ba ba ya fa ne life
o ba ba
me o
o be de
no so ba no me mpa ba bi shanza
enti ayo no upa bi a ma san ka bi me say emu obi nada o
ye mlem Prophet Asio ya yesa nkwasi adwuma na ya nya fa so obi amfiri so
wow
hyehyɛ ho nkwasi asam na ɔme edi ye no na ɔmfi sɛ da bia ne ebetena sum
wow
si ebi si biem
abi nhyira enti me pa cha Nyankopɔn nhyira reverend doctors reverend ministers of God and then mo abobɔ machiri dom if I did say something which is highly unprecedented in Nana Sophia I'm very sorry very sorry very sorry if I did say something which is highly inimical to the ambitions of my followers, I am very sorry. I stand to be corrected at any moment in time. Nyankopɔn nhyira mo, me da mo ase ne mo support. Akwane say 1,000 Ghana there be that. Obi aba be hu me. Me dey say oba open me oil a, ene dey me pa cho me ko Israel no.
Ya fan
che me ye de ba so ye duty ye tax ma government. Etua on tax abanje hu bibia bi na me so me ba me mfa nche wo beda na yeye beda so matimanya bi akanyame asem me ntiti nkuto bi nane na me ntiti wo bi anane
call central market go nane
me call central market go nane ana me wo bi a free straight Israel eneba and this 2020 unsa hu no ya adwuma all day 80 eye ruak mamilela ubi doka en ha hon kodan beje hon kodan ka beje hon kodan ka beje wo yo ni bi mo amoji wo yo no so misrom code bi anim e freelancer e yira 47 Yaria, you just smear, drop a little of it in the hot water. Then I'll take it in. Bad dreams, setbacks, promise and fail, and all those stuff. Get some of the oil. My culture said me oil na cinnamon, henna, frankincense, myrrh, cedar of Lebanon, pomegranate. Any idea yes oil, spikenard, ekaho. Just such its spiritual use of it, physically is an essential oil which tends to treat certain things and is medically approved in Israel. The Food and Drugs Board in Israel has approved it. When nice guys say if you're impact get your own. Get your own.
All right.
As such that if something come to the church premises this coming 27th of March, it's going to be some tough program. Because Yankupon son in a show come on, and I have Baba Nasi BP. Many OPATAFOUR Michelle Combo
life.
Huh? Michelle Combo did my trouble baby out here baby Friba. The entire Oba the Abayo. Rabbi be 27th of March. There me year the 31st no crowd there. Ubia or send me my yazano. Brother Castle OPATAFOUR the Masha. Christo asunye enka wiase nyina Ghana mpa informe chiamo asunye enka obia
right abusuafo ye do bibia se kumase online yesramo ya ye bibia entra mo fa nche yen ye de yenya gie asim se nyam djuma na ye be ye ne de obia ntimi ya azan bia o ha ye ntwe ma ye dam ase the dream team
e ma remfi akwari kid ni dia me de be ma no
yate e do ase abusuafo mo te Danny Boy nka Kofi Poku na me ne share program ya se Danny Boy abafo so ma afiu na eja mo mo nto nka ye de be si ha prophet OPATAFOUR na mo te nka no mo